Guys, I bought a new car. I bought a 2018 Hyundai Elantra Sport. This is the top of the line model. It is a used car, but I specifically like this car because of the body shape and everything. I didn't like the new model a lot. And this one is a 1.6 liter turbo with 200 horsepower by factory. And of course, I'm gonna modify that. So guys, I already put some accessories on it. I just installed the vent visors, the spoilers, and the rear hatch spoiler. So the car looks good. I already deleted the muffler because, of course, I need to hear the engine roar. Yeah, look at it. I just deleted the muffler. I did it by myself. I didn't buy anything. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Looks good, right? And the bend, all the pipes are bent, and we did it. I did it with Alejandro. So when you do that, you take a lot of weight on the car, and it's gonna sound cool. And today I'm waiting for the intake. So I bought a AFE or EFE cold air intake that's supposed to be give like 15 horsepower to the car. I will be judging that, but I'm gonna be ordering also a downpipe, doing the whole 3-inch exhaust. I'm gonna be taking to the dyno so the guys can give a tune to the car. Hope I can get like 300 horsepower on it. This is gonna be the video. I'm gonna be doing some work to it, or there's gonna be a few videos after this one working on the car, and you will see the progress. I hope I'm not going to modify it too much because this is my daily. Right now, the car I've been putting 93 octane fuel. It makes I spent like $45 filling up the tank, and it's giving me almost 2 weeks of doing going back and forth to my jobs with the car. So it's really economic car. So guys, look at my mom. I got my mom here.
Hello.
She's here, and I'm really happy for it. She and my father, the folks are here. So guys, bear with us. Today I'm gonna be installing the intake, so I'm waiting for UPS to arrive with it. So as soon as I get it, I'm gonna make a video so you can see how much power I can get to it. So guys, let's get to work. I'm gonna be installing this. These are racing bushings, the polyurethane bushing for the engine mount that this car has in the bottom part. The engine mount is bolted to the cross member and holding the engine. That is the only support or engine mount that is preventing the engine from moving front and back when you accelerate. Those both bushings, I bought it on a website that specializes in selling Hyundai parts. And what this does is really stronger than the rubber that comes from factory, and the engine will not move as much as now. Well, the car has like 80 something, almost 90,000 miles. So the rubber on the engine mount, it is weak, and I feel the engine moving when I put it in sport mode and try to accelerate it, because this car has a DC transmission. It runs strong. It's 200 horsepower and you can feel it. So I just want to get it to 300 horsepower, just enough to have fun on the street. You know how I am. Another thing that I will be installing is this lower control arm in this side, in the driver's side, because I think this car was in an accident at some time, and I saw the wheel that has a positive camber in this side. So I was inspecting it, and I noticed the lower control arm that was a little bit bent. So I'm gonna be installing it. And the other thing that I'm gonna be installing is the wheel bearing. The wheel bearing on the same side it's making a little bit of noise. So I want the car to be really quiet on the streets because remember, this is my daily. So guys, let's get to work. As you can see, guys, I already installed this part. This is the polyurethane bushing. You replace the OEM one. You can put two of these, one over here and one here, but it's gonna be harder. You're gonna feel a little bit more vibration of the engine inside of the cabin. And in this one, let's see this. I took this one out, and now I'm gonna be installing these two ones. You can see these are two pieces. You put these two pieces with the sleeve in the center, like that, and put grease. This is a special grease, so you don't hear the bushing squeak. So this is what I'm gonna be doing now. I'm gonna be installing everything, and we'll show you the finished product. Okay, let's do this. You can see it's already installed. It's gonna look like this. Yep, it's gonna be more solid. Here is the one, and the other one is here. You can buy another. Remember, you can buy another one of these. Put it here in this part, which I think I'm gonna do. I just bought this one because I think it was only one, but I'm gonna be the other one. But I'm gonna be installing it here, so the next one is gonna be easier to install. I don't have to take all this shit. So yeah, let's install it, and I will let you know how it feels. I didn't want to bore you with another intake installation, but I already did it. Plus, I did a ram air that it didn't come with the car or with the intake, because the intake came with a part that you can do the ram air, but the ram air extra, so the piece that you have to do to put it on front of the grill is $150, and I did a ram air for $20, and it do the same thing. So I'm going to show you what I did. Yeah, guys, as you can see, it is a Takeda cold air intake. I already installed it, and you can see it looks really good. It is a big piece of pipe. It's good with it because it's plastic, because it's gonna reflect. It's not going to heat a lot, and that's good for the intake because has less heat, more horsepower. And I also did the ram air. As you can see here, I put that tube over there and drill a hole here in the grill, and you can see it looks like it came like that from factory. And the other thing that I also installed was the catch can. This is really important. Remember, these cars are direct injection, and you have to put the catch can to prevent all the oil going into the intake and get stuck in the valves. The other thing that I did was the conversion of the OEM solenoid for the blow off. I converted to the Mac valve. As you can see, I already installed it and changed everything. If you want to see a video of that, let me know. I will make a video installing that valve. Also did it for the wastegate. I eliminated the OEM solenoid that controls the wastegate and install another Mac valve there. These Mac valves are good because the OEM Mac ones are plastic, and they don't respond good to the heat. And in these cars that already have a few miles, but their performance wear down, and you can feel it in the hesitation of the car. So I installed these ones. These are really good ones. You can find it really cheap on eBay, $20 each, and they are really beefy, and they work faster than the OEM. And all the blow off and the wastegate are gonna work more efficient with those two valves. If you wanna see a video on that, let me know, and I will make a video so I can show you how I did it.